Developed by Drone America, the aerial scooper drone is an advanced firefighting tool designed to tackle wildfires and other emergencies. This drone can carry up to 1,000 gallons or approximately 3,785 liters of water or fire-suppressing agents, making it a powerful asset for extinguishing large-scale fires. In addition to firefighting, the aerial scooper drone can conduct rescue operations and monitor fire conditions using thermal imaging cameras and other sensors. Its compact size and high maneuverability enable it to access difficult-to-reach areas where traditional firefighting equipment is less effective. The drone helps reduce response times, enhances safety for rescue teams, and improves overall coordination during emergency efforts. One of the most exciting and unique vehicles to emerge in recent years is the H1 Panther, created by the company Watercar. This amphibious car combines the power and durability of an off-road vehicle with the speed and agility of a high-performance boat. The H1 Panther was built by disassembling a Humvee and re-engineering it with modern materials. Heavy steel and cast-iron components were replaced with lightweight aluminum and stainless steel, making the vehicle more efficient on both land and water. On land, it's powered by a Chevrolet LS3 gasoline engine that produces 395 horsepower and 508 Newton-meters of torque. When it hits the water, a Mercury Bravo 2 marine engine takes over, propelling the Panther at speeds of up to 65 kilometers per hour. What's even more impressive is its ability to switch from car mode to boat mode in just 20 seconds, allowing it to achieve full planing speed in just 6 seconds. The H1 Panther can travel up to 154 kilometers on water and 611 kilometers on land with its 144-liter fuel capacity. Developed by engineers at the Technical University of Munich, the InnoTruck represents the future of sustainable transportation and energy. The InnoTruck has a striking, futuristic design that immediately captures attention. Its sleek cabin transitions seamlessly into the trailer, resembling the nose of a fighter jet. Equipped with numerous sensors and electronic systems, the truck continuously monitors and optimizes its performance in real time. From the driver's seat, a large glass area offers excellent visibility, while a living area behind the driver provides comfort for long-haul trips. One of the most forward-thinking aspects of the InnoTruck is its integration of autonomous driving systems and driver assistance technologies. These features allow the truck to operate with minimal driver input, enhancing safety and efficiency. This blend of cutting-edge design and technology makes the InnoTruck a key player in the evolution of sustainable transportation. Slovenian engineer David Vukovic has introduced the world to the Hydrofoil E-Jetski Flyway, an electric watercraft that brings the thrill of high-speed jet skiing into the realm of eco-friendly technology. What sets the Flyway apart is its use of hydrofoil technology, which allows it to glide above the water's surface, reducing drag and improving both speed and energy efficiency. Capable of reaching speeds up to 88 kilometers per hour and covering distances of up to 110 kilometers on a single charge, the Flyway offers both performance and sustainability. Its hydrofoils significantly reduce water resistance, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride while enhancing the craft's range and speed. It operates almost silently and produces no harmful emissions, aligning with modern environmental standards. This makes it the perfect choice for thrill seekers who want to experience the excitement of water sports while also protecting the environment. The GAC Group has unveiled the Gove, an all-electric integrated mobility solution that combines the best of land and air transportation. The Gove is essentially two vehicles in one: a single-seat passenger capsule mounted on a four-wheeled chassis for driving on roads and a detachable electric vertical takeoff and landing system for flying. The lower chassis serves as a traditional electric car, while the upper part is a single-seat copter with 6 folding blades for flight. The vehicle operates on autopilot, and navigation is managed through a simple tablet interface. One of the most innovative aspects of the Gove is its recharging system. While the upper flying module is in the air, the ground platform autonomously travels to a charging station, ensuring that the vehicle is always ready for its next journey. With no manual controls, the Gove represents a bold step toward fully autonomous, multimodal transportation. Chronus Robotics has unveiled the Kimi, a revolutionary two-wheeled self-balancing electric wheelchair that brings new possibilities to personal mobility. What sets the Kimi apart is its ability to raise users into an almost fully vertical position, addressing both physical and psychological barriers. While it can function as a traditional wheelchair, the Kimi features a scissor-type drive mechanism that activates when needed, lifting the seat and tilting it slightly forward. This allows the user to be elevated to eye level with those around them, promoting social interaction and inclusivity. Safety is a priority, with strong thigh straps securely holding the user in place to prevent falls. Weighing just 38 kilograms, the Kimi is compact enough to fit in a car trunk and is designed for users weighing between 40 and 90 kilograms. It offers a top speed of 20 kilometers per hour and a range of up to 30 kilometers on a single charge, which takes approximately 3 hours. In 2021, Tetra Aviation introduced the Mk-5, a one-passenger electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft designed for personal air travel. The Mk-5 features a sleek design with tandem wings, rear wing winglets, and a single vertical tail stabilizer. It also uses a fixed tricycle undercarriage for landing stability. The aircraft is powered by 33 thrust assemblies housed in 17 quasi-cylindrical pods, each containing 2 vertically mounted propellers. These propellers provide the lift necessary for vertical flight, while a larger rear-mounted pusher propeller is used for forward movement. One of the key innovations of the Mk-5 is its multi-rotor configuration, which eliminates the need for tilt propellers, reducing weight and complexity. The aircraft has an impressive cruise speed of 260 km per hour, with a flight range of 260 km and a flight time of about 1 hour. Compact in size, the Tetra MK-5 is perfect for use in urban environments with limited landing space. In a bold step toward realizing flying cars, the Japanese company NEC unveiled a prototype flying vehicle designed to explore the possibilities of future urban air mobility. The helicopter-like machine weighs 148 kilograms only. Equipped with 4 rotors, it visually resembles a large quadcopter, although calling it a car is somewhat premature. During tests, the prototype successfully lifted itself 3 meters off the ground and hovered for several minutes at an NEC testing facility. However, the flight was not yet stable, as evidenced by the wobbling of the body during the ascent. Although it lacks road functionality, the test demonstrates NEC's progress in developing flying vehicles. While stable flight is still a challenge, the fact that the machine can lift off the ground indicates significant potential for further advancements in this field.